Hello, everyone. Good evening, or should I say good day to you, and welcome to today's daily Trade Watch, which is Thursday, the 7th of February. So without further ado, if I could draw your attention to our risk warning, which you can currently see up on screen. Please do take a brief moment to obviously familiarize yourself with our risk warning currently available. Okay, so what we look to do during this very brief video is to discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we can utilize for the day ahead. So without further ado, let me bring up our trading platform currently up on screen. And we've been discussing really for the last few weeks about the potential for these, and you will have seen from previous daily Trade Watch videos that we've been advocates of prices pushing higher in the S&P 500, and this is the chart up here. But we want to draw your attention to something which is really quite important. We do like support and resistance, and identifying really important levels of support and resistance, and seeing how Japanese candlesticks and price action compares with that support and resistance, and all of a sudden you can start to build up a bit of a picture. Now, I want to just draw your attention to the 27.39, which is yesterday's and the day before's high. And if I just zoom out, maybe you can see a little bit more clearly that this little purple line in here is quite a significant level of support and resistance in this market. And you can see how often this market does respect this particular level. So yes, there is much better, stronger levels, but it is important, and it does have a slight importance. But the other thing I want to draw your attention to is the black line on screen, and that really is a 200 period moving average. And we're looking at daily time frames, so it is really one of the big indicators which are used by your institutions, and it is an indicator that's worth keeping an eye on. And if it reinforces your trade idea, then so be it. And that's really the situation we find ourselves in now, is that we've got a really strong level of resistance just above these current levels. But what we would want to do is we'd want to see this market. We've got the indecision now, so we want to see this market sell off a little bit. And if it does, and we get prices break below the 27.23, then we'd expect this market actually to give us a reasonable pullback. So definitely a good trading opportunity to keep an eye on. And of course, if this price turns around and breaks above, then it could make sense to get in above the 200 period moving average, which would be roughly around the 27.45 level and above. And then you can look to take this market to the upside. But for now, our opportunity in terms of our directional bias is very much to the downside, and that is the opportunity we do effectively see. So we've cherry picked this particular opportunity, so hopefully we will get some good movement on that. Okay, so that is really effectively today's daily Trade Watch video. So if you do wish to connect with us, please do feel free to connect with our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Our details are all there up on the screen. And if you are interested in learning how to trade for consistent returns, do go to our website, which is www.thelivetraderoom.com, and you'll be able to join us live every day as we navigate these financial markets. And you can access your membership for as little as $19.99 US. So we've got a huge amount of fantastic resources in there, everything you would need to actually navigate these markets with a high degree of accuracy in your approach, really control over your capital, and looking to expand on winning trades and looking to cut losing trades short as quickly as we can. And there's a lot of education built in behind there for you. And it's just the price point is very, very low. It's $19.99 US, and that's a monthly fee. And of course, you can cancel any time as well with membership with us. So that's just a little bit about what we're offering you if you would like to join us. So thank you very much for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.